Recording.
If we come out here and it's dry, we can push it. If we get a sweeper truck out here to blow all the dust off the ground, then we can go for time trials.
We got 3 hours. Let's do this shit, bro. Official record.
I'm just going for a fun.
No, bro, don't, not honestly, Michael. Just because the camera's recording, no pressure. Don't just...
Oh, I don't feel pressure. I'm a race car driver.
Put it behind the grate though.
I had a 32 GDI.
Yeah, I know, right? Alright. Wait.
Oh, there goes my shoelace.
Okay, ready? Wait. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. On your march. Get set. Go.
Fucking hell. Over through. No, I can't do it. Over through it. Nah, I went off. I went off track.
51.
I went off track. No.
You did good. You fucking
No.
Dude, when you called that, you could have beat the... You were doing good time before you called it.
Yeah, we're doing good times, but... Nah. That's it. I followed my instinct, bro. I'm not even gonna try anymore. I overthrew that corner and...
You fucked up.
$6,000. Yeah, I jumped off. I didn't hit the gutter. No damage, but I just broke in time and I had to jump off the bike to land on the gutter.
You went too fast.
No.
There's a perfect medium.
I can't apex, bro. I can't stay to the left and hook it right.
Here, 51. Yeah, where my hat? Back to front. For a minute. Alright, I'm going through the grate.
Right.
Tell me when I'm ready.
Push the corners, you can't break it.
Well, no.
You'll easily beat me.
I'm not trying to beat you. I'm trying to beat myself.
Starting from this fucked because I double stepped.
It's alright. Go, count me down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, let's do a slow 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Holy fuck. Easily. Like I said, 46 seconds.
My God.
Guaranteed.
Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you the secret to
Guaranteed.
my success, right?
Yeah, no.
No. Listen.
We
I know
can
you're
get
gonna
it
be
down
like,
to 40 seconds.
I know you're gonna be like, you're reckless.
No.
But I'm gonna tell you right now, right?
We can get it down to 40 seconds. I
know
can
I can.
guarantee it.
I can too. Wait, this is...
I won't. But
Wait,
you
Michael,
can.
secret to my success, right?
Yeah.
Ride low. When you come into the corners, ride low, go back foot like this, hit both, like, go like this.
Yeah.
And then,
But
dude,
the risk of fucking
no,
hurting
Michael, you ride
ourselves
low.
and $6,000
and then
gone.
you go heavy left, because that back foot on the back, like, the front can do whatever, but the back is way, like,
Yeah.
the back's like
Bro.
a thing.
I will stick to the left the whole way, but this is too scary.
It's fun!
Apex.
No, I didn't even try to, like, push the limit
did.
right now.
I was 51, and I wasn't trying, but
bruh. It's still fun.
There is no way. Safely. We're still not apexing, bro. We can easily get down that to 40.
You're not apexing. I don't even
I'm not doing it
understand
because I
apex.
don't want to fucking
You can
come
beat
off.
me. You can beat me if you fucking apex and go fucking a bit harder.
Yeah, but that corner, I can't read the corners, bro.
You can, my guy. Alright, wait. Stop. Reset. 3, 2, 1, go.
Over! Oh! I'm coming back! Nah.
Fucking bottom out.
No. That's what happens when you don't.
What happened?
I overthrew the corner. I had to bail. I'm cautious bail.
Go again.
Like I said, bro, it is way too wet.
Yeah, I agree with you.
And way too dangerous.
So there's a time we can get with being still cautious. So let's do that time.
Yeah, your time, bro.
Don't fucking go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fuck off corner. Fuck! Nah, went off. I went off.
50, 51.
No, I'm not trying, bro. No, I'm not trying, bro.
Yeah, put it in front of the GoPro because it's recording. Go. In front of the GoPro.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not trying.
Michael right now. 51.12.
No, I'm not trying.
Wasn't trying.
No. I'm going off track twice.
Alright.
I went off corner.
Alright.
I'm over it.
Alright.
There is no way.
Let me have another go for show.
Yeah, but bro, don't push it.
Alright.
Because it will not stop quick enough.
I'm not trying to push it, I'm cool.
No, just listen.
Dude.
Trust me.
I'm cool.
Please follow your instinct.
Do you know how that fucking
Break
stopwatch
those
works?
corners with as much time as you need. Do not push it.
Do you know how that
Oh,
stopwatch
listen to me.
works?
Do not push it.
Alright.
Those corners are so fucking wet.
Yeah, I know.
We cannot. You've already hit. What was your best time? 46.
Can you reset?
Yeah, I've already set.
Okay, ready? Tell me what.
But
Tell me
listen
now.
to me.
I hear you. Don't be reckless.
I went
It's
off
wet.
the first corner.
Got
I
it.
had to slow down 5 seconds. Second corner, off track.
This will give me an advantage.
If I could hit